Good morning, students. Today we will try to implement selection or decision making in our programs. So, before you refer this video lecture, it is better to refer the theory lecture slides. So there you will get a good idea about selection. So basically, selection is taking a decision based on a criteria. So most of the time we are going to compare two values or variables, and based on that comparison may be successful or unsuccessful. Then according to the result we are going to continue the program. So in C programming language, for this comparison we are using this if statement. So let's uh, see which comparisons are allowed in C programming language. Right, I'll take a pointer. So basically, with if statement you can use relational operators. Those are the valid relational operations in C programming language. Now let's say if you want to check whether two values or variables are equal, therefore you have to use this operator. This is equivalence operator. So it consists of two equal signs. Keep in mind that if you want to check whether two values or variables are same or equal, you must use two equal symbols. So one equal symbol means assignment. So it will assign a value to a variable. So you were already familiar with that assignment. So this is the not equal operator, exclamation and equal. So by using this operator you can check whether your left side is not equal to your right side. Here also it will check your left side is equal to your right side. This is the greater than operator. So it will check your left side is greater than your right side. Similarly, this is less than operator. It will check whether your left side is smaller than your right side. Here, greater than or equal. So this operator will check whether your left side is greater than or equal to the left side. Sorry, right side. This is the opposite of it. Less than or equal or smaller than or equal. This will check whether your left side is less than to your right side. So those are the relational operators in C programming language. Okay, now this is the practical one. So we will try to implement it by using DevC++. Okay, so I will start DevC++. I will start a new project, a console application, C. This is our practical 4. Yeah, I will save it. Now you may have several practicals with you. I'll create a new folder. Yes. Okay. I will go with the basic, so I will delete the unnecessary part. I'll go with the basic program structure. Okay, now I can implement the selection or decision. So to take a decision, at least I should have two variables or two values. So in this case I will use two integer variables. Let's say int a, so I will assign 5 to a, and integer b, I will assign 10 to b. Now you can clearly see that a is 5, b is 10, and a is the smaller value, b is the larger value. Now let's try to compare this by using if statement. So I will write if, so within brackets you have to give the criteria. First of all, let's check the equality. So we will check whether a is equal to b. So I have to write a equals operator, 2 equals symbols, b. Now this will check whether a is equal to b. So it is checking whether the left side, which is a, is equal to right side, in this case b. Right? Okay. So we have to create another program block by using curly brackets. So if this condition is true, this is success, or a is equal to b, whatever the stuff you write here will execute. Within those two curly brackets, whatever the statements you write will only execute if this condition is success or true. Otherwise, you have to write the else part. So again you have to create a block. So if this is not true, or this is unsuccessful, or a is not equal to b, then this part will run. So whatever the stuff you write here within those two curly brackets will execute if this criteria is unsuccessful or not true, or if a is not equal to b. Okay, this block structure is very important. So if this is success, this part will run. If this is unsuccess, this part will run. So one part at a time. Right, now I will add a message if this criteria is success. So I need a message, so I will give a printf statement. So I can say a is equal to b. I'll say I'll add another printf, and I'll have another message. Let's say goodbye. So similarly, if this is unsuccess, I will add another message. You can have any statement. So for this example, I will use printf. So if this is unsuccess, it means a is not equal to b. So if this part is executing, it means a is not equal to b. If this part success, this content will not run. Oops. I lost it.